Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto.
Let's dive into what happened with Bitcoin over the last 24 hours. Right after the last video, Bitcoin dipped further into the green support bar, which stretches from $59,500 to $61,100. Unfortunately, my trade hit its stop loss at $61,000. We saw a low of $58,900 before finding a local trough at that point. But Bitcoin didn't stay down for long. It took just 2 hours to recover, pushing through $60,300, where I reopened my trade. Now we've moved back into the red resistance channel, which spans from $62,500 to $64,000. On Friday, our wave trend indicator signaled a hidden bullish divergence, showing a long position entry between $59,500 and $59,900. While the current hourly candle shows a green dot on cipher A, signaling potential continuation, it's not a strong signal since it's only on the hourly time frame. However, on a more positive note, the 50 and 200 EMA are about to cross, which could lead to a significant rally to the upside. We're also seeing a bullish divergence on the 4-hour chart, along with a golden dot on the wave trend indicator. Money flow is turning green, although since it's the weekend, price action can be a bit weaker than usual. Still, the overall outlook remains bullish, especially after the liquidations we saw during the dip to $58,900. Using the liquidation heat map, we noticed substantial short liquidations. Big leverage positions were taken out as Bitcoin rallied back up. Highlights include liquidations at $61,700, wiping out around $93.4 million in leverage positions, and $62,400, where $112 million in shorts were liquidated. Based on the liquidation heat map, the next upside targets are $63,300 and $64,400. Keep an eye on these levels as they could provide the next significant resistance areas. That's it for today's update. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next one.